Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of Midor watches, a brand synonymous with Swiss precision, timeless design, and exceptional craftsmanship. Whether you're a watch enthusiast or simply appreciate fine horology, join us as we explore what makes Midor a standout in the world of luxury timepieces. Let's get started. Number 7. Midor Rainflower. The Midor Rainflower is a true celebration of timeless elegance and artistic inspiration. This exquisite timepiece draws its design from the iconic Rainflower ceramic, a symbol of 1960s innovation and style. The dial features a unique textured pattern reminiscent of blooming flowers, creating a captivating visual appeal that sets it apart from conventional watches. Encased in a 38 stainless steel case, the Rainflower strikes the perfect balance between vintage charm and modern sophistication. Powered by the Midor Caliber 80 automatic movement, this watch offers an impressive 80-hour power reserve, ensuring reliable performance and precision. The sleek dolphin hands and minimalist hour markers complement the intricate dial design, while a date window at 3 o'clock adds a practical touch. Number 6. Midor Ocean Star Black. The Midor Ocean Star Black is a bold and versatile dive watch designed for adventurers and watch enthusiasts alike. Its 42.5 stainless steel case features a sleek black PVD coating, giving it a modern, stealthy appearance that exudes confidence. The unidirectional rotating bezel, paired with a black sunray brushed dial, ensures legibility and functionality, even in low-light conditions, thanks to its luminescent hands and markers. Powered by the Midor Caliber 80 automatic movement, the Ocean Star Black offers an impressive 80-hour power reserve, making it a reliable companion for extended journeys. Its robust construction includes a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal and water resistance up to 200 meters. Number 5. Midor Commander Big Date. The Midor Commander Big Date is a sophisticated timepiece that effortlessly blends classic design with modern functionality. Its standout feature is the prominent Big Date display at 12 o'clock, offering exceptional readability and a unique aesthetic appeal. The 42 stainless steel case is polished to perfection, exuding a refined elegance that suits both formal and casual occasion. The Sunray brushed dial, available in shades like blue, black, or silver, adds a touch of dynamism, catching the light with every movement. The sleek baton indexes and dolphin hands, treated with superluminova, enhance visibility in low-light conditions, while the transparent case back offers a glimpse into the intricate mechanics of the movement. Number 4. Midor Ocean Star Decompression World Timer. The Midor Ocean Star Decompression World Timer is a masterpiece of functionality and design, tailored for globetrotters and diving enthusiasts. This innovative timepiece features a unique decompression timer scale on its inner bezel, a nod to its diving heritage, while the outer ring displays 24 world cities, making it a true world timer. The 44 stainless steel case is robust yet refined, with a unidirectional rotating bezel and a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal for durability. Powered by the Midor Caliber 80 automatic movement, the watch offers an impressive 80-hour power reserve and reliable precision. Water-resistant up to 200 meters, it's a true tool watch for underwater adventures. Paired with a comfortable stainless steel bracelet or rubber strap, the Ocean Star Decompression World Timer combines practicality with style. Whether you're exploring new time zones or diving into the deep, this watch is a perfect companion for those who demand both performance and elegance. Number 3. Midor Ocean Star Automatic Diving Watch. The Midor Ocean Star Automatic Diving Watch is a perfect blend of rugged functionality and timeless design, crafted for diving enthusiasts and watch aficionados alike. Its 42.5 stainless steel case is both robust and refined, featuring a unidirectional rotating bezel and a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal for durability. The Sunray brushed dial, available in shades like blue, black, or gray, offers exceptional legibility with luminescent hands and markers, ensuring clarity even in low light conditions. Water resistant up to 200 meters, it's built to withstand the demands of underwater exploration while maintaining its elegant appeal. The Ocean Star Automatic comes with a stainless steel bracelet or a rubber strap, both designed for comfort and durability. Whether you're diving into the ocean or making a statement on land, this watch combines practicality with sophistication. A true testament to Midow's commitment to quality and innovation, the Ocean Star Automatic is a standout choice for any watch collection. Number 2. Midow Multifort Power Reserve. The Midow Multifort Power Reserve watch is a harmonious blend of vintage inspiration and modern horological innovation. Its design pays homage to the iconic Multifort models of the 1930s, featuring a distinctive Geneva stripe pattern on the dial that exudes timeless elegance. The 44 stainless steel case is polished to perfection, offering a bold yet refined presence on the wrist. The dial, available in black or silver, includes a power reserve indicator at 12 o'clock, adding both functionality and visual appeal. Number 1. Midow Commander Big Date. The Midow Commander Big Date is a striking timepiece that masterfully combines classic elegance with modern functionality. Its standout feature is the prominent Big Date display at 12 o'clock, offering exceptional readability and a unique design element. The 42 stainless steel case is polished to a high shine, exuding sophistication and versatility for both formal and casual occasion. The Sunray brushed dial, available in shades like blue, black, or silver, adds a dynamic touch, reflecting light beautifully with every movement. Powered by the Midow Caliber 80 automatic movement, this watch delivers an impressive 80-hour power reserve, ensuring reliable performance over extended periods. Available with a stainless steel bracelet or leather strap, the Commander Big Date combines comfort and durability. With water resistance up to 50 meters, it's as practical as it is stylish.